Did you know the sinking of the Titanic was predicted? Morgan Robertson's novella, The Wreck of the Titan, or Futility, was published in 1898, about 14 years before the Titanic sank. The similarities between the fictional events in Robertson's story and the actual disaster of the Titanic in 1912 are indeed striking. Here are some of the notable parallels. Name and description of the ship. In Robertson's novella, the ship was named the Titan, while the real ship was famously named the Titanic. Both were described as large, unsinkable vessels, with the Titan being labeled as unsinkable, just like the Titanic was often touted as practically unsinkable due to its advanced safety features. Size and specifications. Both the Titan and the Titanic were considered enormous for their time, with similar dimensions and capabilities. The Titan was slightly smaller than the Titanic, but shared comparable features. Location of the disaster. Both ships met their demise in the North Atlantic Ocean after striking an iceberg. Lack of lifeboats. Both stories highlighted the inadequacy of lifeboats on board. The Titan had too few lifeboats for its passenger capacity, just like the Titanic, which famously didn't carry enough lifeboats for all its passengers and crew. While these parallels are intriguing, there are also some significant differences between the two events. The novella was a work of fiction, and Robertson himself stated that he didn't possess any supernatural ability to predict the Titanic's tragedy. Instead, it seems more like a remarkable coincidence fueled by the author's knowledge of contemporary maritime trends and concerns about ship safety. Robertson was likely influenced by various technological advancements and concerns of the time, such as the rapid expansion of ocean travel, the belief in technological invincibility, and real-life maritime disasters that might have inspired elements of his story. So, while it's uncanny that Robertson's novella seems to foreshadow the Titanic disaster, it's generally regarded as a coincidence rather than a deliberate prediction.
Step into the realm of Roy's Academy, your portal to a universe brimming with knowledge and innovation. Here, every lesson is an adventure, every course a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Embark on a comprehensive educational journey with our meticulously crafted courses. Delve into the core subjects of math, science, English, social studies, and computer science, tailored for students from classes 1 to 10, following CBSE and ICSE curriculums. Dive into Olympiad courses across a spectrum of disciplines and prepare for IIT NEET Foundation with focused classes from 6 to 10. Beckons Roy's Academy. Elevate your intellect with our brain development program, featuring Vedic and shortcut math, IQ booster, knowledge enhancer, and English concepts builder. Or polish your spoken English skills with comprehensive training in grammar, vocabulary, and more, all designed to foster fluency and confidence. Your quest for enlightenment is just a click or call away. Connect with Roy's Academy via WhatsApp at +91 8910 890311. Ring us up at +91 8910 600503 or download our interactive Android app Roy's Academy from Google Play Store. Explore infinite possibilities on our website https://roysacademy.com and join us on this odyssey where knowledge meets innovation. Roy's Academy, your complete e-learning solution.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For more videos, please press bell icon for instant notification.